Hey guys, it's me Thor. Look at all these birds. Oh, look at those. Look at all these birds. Look at these birds, man. Look at these. Jesus. Whoa, there's a... I don't know what's in there. Guys, I'll show you the... Whoa. Guys, it's camouflage. That's dope. Oh, it's so dusty in here. Are you fake or real? Is that fake or real? That's so cool. Look at these baby birds. Oh, these are cute. I can't believe they can still fly. Oh, look at these. Hey, this is my friend Diego has these kind of birds. Hi, baby. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, guys. Calm down. There's big ones. Look at that fat one. Oh, look at that one. Whoa. Look at this one. Look at this big snake. This is the one that I was saving for last, but I wanted to blur it out. Look at this big snake, guys. Give me a lot of likes, too. Look at these baby bunnies, though. Hi, bunny. Don't bite me, please. I'm scared if they're gonna bite me. Whoa, this one's flexing right here. Look at that one. Oh, poor this one. This one's lonely. It's called a small tail bunny. Oh, look at that fat one. I want that one.
I heard a bark.
Whoa, do you talk? Do you talk? Tell me if you talk. Whoa,
So
whoa.
I was all like, F you, him, and then when I walked in,
Whoa, whoa, don't say that, man. Whoa, whoa. Don't hit yourself, man. That's not nice. Look at these. In the guest room. What?
because that's gonna be in your head.
No, I want that one.
No,
No, I want that fat one. I want that fatty one.
You get that one? You don't even do that for better.
Whoa, this is scary. I'm scared like there's a loose snake in here. But look, you see that box? I'm scared of that box. Oh, I like that black bird. Oh, I like that white bird. Whoa, look at all these mouse. What's in there? Oh, there's animals in there. There's like, oh, look at, there's a mouse. That's dope. Look in here though. Oh, it smells like poop. They poop a lot. Oh, I forgot to show you this side. Look at baby. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, look at this. Oh. Whoa, they just all shut up. Guys, quiet. Okay, go. Oh. I'm leaving. Okay, shut. Guys, everybody has to be quiet. They won't listen. You too, sir. How much are they selling now? How much are they selling? Okay. Para qué? $14? Or 2 for 25. Not bad. I can afford that. I have 755. Hi, birdie. Hi, you like my phone? Hi, chicken. I like that black one. That black one's cool. I could grab it. And you see this bucket? That's where there used to be ducks. But now there's no ducks. Hi, chicken. You like this one? You like it? Don't get scared. I don't hurt. Oh, that one's hurt. You all, one of you are mean, I swear. That one's hurt. Hi. You like my phone? It's cool. You like it? That's a bunny. You want to smell my phone? Yeah, you like my phone, huh? You like my phone? You like my phone, I said? Let me go check the snake. That thing is big. All of a sudden, you just guys stop talking. That's crazy. That's dope. This one's fake, guys. I'm being honest. There was a real one. Fake. I wonder what happened to it. Hey, big snake. Are you real? Yeah, you're real, because I saw you over there. He goes down here, but now he's up here. People go through that hole. Who's making that noise? Oh, these have spider webs. That's scary. This fool. Hi. 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 Can I touch your tail? I want to touch your cow. Oh, what? Look, chickens, how they poop eggs. Whoa, did you say that? I'm scared. I want to go. Peace out, guys.